And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your Motorola Edge X40. So in the first step you have to open the Play Store, then tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the EasyFax. So we have to launch it. And now in this screen click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from your gallery. Just choose your photo. Of course you can select more than one picture. If you're ready, click import, and now you can add this shape to your document. Click arrow icon and choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. You can also add a signature text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. You can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it, click on this button and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.